The searchlight has two major problems, the location and the controls. In this location, the searchlight is difficult to use because it actually blinds you with the reflection on the white roof that is in front of you. And this is when you are on the flybridge. And it is totally unusable from the main helm below deck because of the reflection of the handrails. So the searchlight should really be where it always is, which means on the bow of the boat. The other problem is that the controls are behind me and I have to use them blindly. So why not put this here so I can see the buttons when I turn the searchlight on and off and I point it where I need to. It is an elementary thing, but if you want to fix it, be ready to sign a check because Fountaine Pajot will not fix it for you.